How to fix a clogging grass catcher.
Does this happen to you? Well, it's been happening to me ever since I installed this grass catcher. And I've tried many different things. I've tried driving a little slower, I've tried with my mower deck up, and I've tried with my mower deck down, and nothing seems to work. But the fix that I'm going to do now, I'm told by a professional, guaranteed, that this will not happen anymore. Alright, now that I got the machine jacked up, I got to take the blades off. And this is a 5/8 wrench. Wow, that was on there tight. Alright, here's the old blades I just took off. And here are the new blades that I'm told, which will make the grass catcher work better. It's called a high lift blades. Now these cost me a little over $50. That's here in Canada, so down in the US probably cost you half that. Our taxes are so high up here. Anyway, I'm going to put them on and let's try and see how she works. Okay, when you put these blades on, it's written right here, grass side down, so make sure this is facing down.
Now the easiest way I find to put these blades on these lawn mowers is to put your bolt into the blade and then bring it up and just a couple of threads in there and tighten it. Alright, once you get it up there a little bit, line up your splines like that. Oh, I think my hand's in the way. I don't know if I can do it. Then just hand tighten it up. Yeah. 5/8 wrench. Tighten it. There. And this grass side down. Line that up. Let's line up our splines. There. There, nice and tight. There.
Okay, now let's let her down and see how she works.